Hi, everyone, this is Michael Brook from Rapid Couples Counseling. This video is entitled Relationship Repair is a Team Sport. Often when couples come to me, they're dealing with some kind of crisis, whether that's infidelity, whether that's one person had a breach of trust, or one person's just having a meltdown. And often when that's going on, there's normally one person pointing the blame at the other person, pointing the finger of blame. For example, in the case of infidelity. And the person that's unfaithful normally knows they're to blame. And they know that they're responsible for the circumstance they find themselves in. And often their self-talk is very bad. Often people who have been in affairs, they're thinking about self-harm, and sometimes they're thinking about suicide because they feel so shit. But affairs very rarely happen out of the blue. Very rarely does someone wake up in the morning after having a beautiful night cuddling with their relationship partner, go, I think I'm going to have sex with somebody else today. That tends not to be the case. What tends to happen is people will, over a period of time, feel decreased happiness. They'll feel a decrease in desire. They'll feel a decrease in connection and closeness to their partner. And then when all those things are going on, what they do is they look for those things in the external environment. And if somebody shows up and says, hey, available, and you're really hot, that's an incredibly attractive thing. But the circumstances in which the affair made sense or the breach of trust made sense needs to be addressed by both people. Now, I'm not blaming if someone is on the receiving end of their partner being unfaithful. It's a horrible experience for them. It's incredibly emotionally painful. And as far as the brain's concerned, there's no distinction between emotional pain and physical pain. But in order to get the relationship back to something that works, both people need to focus on repair. And it's easy for the person that's been slighted. It's easy for the person who's had their partner cheat on them to go, you have to fix it. If that happens, then what tends to happen is the relationship doesn't recover. But when both people go, let's both repair the relationship, let's both fix what's gone wrong, then relationships actually change really quickly, and relationships tend to get back on track very quickly when both people work on the repair, when both people bring their best game. And so this is why I entitled the video, Relationship Repair is a Team Sport. It requires both people to play together, both people to work together towards a common goal. If one person takes the one-up position where I'm the good guy, you're the bad guy, and you got to fix this because you fucked it up, that never ends well. So I hope this has helped. If you are dealing with a breach of trust, or if you are seeking to repair your relationship, you need to recognize that it takes two of you to do it. And I can help with helping you do the right things in the fastest, most direct route possible in the minimum number of steps to get you from where you are to where you want to be. So if you want to go down that path, please give me a call on 0432 681 321. If you are having a challenging relationship, you'd like to book in for a session, please head on the booking link in the description. There's a booking link in the description. I look forward to making more quality content for you shortly. Thanks very much for your time and have a great day. Bye.